Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West again, and on this day, for the drawing challenge, the 30-day drawing challenge, I'm going to work up another design for a character for Poison Ivy Gulch. Start by drawing an action line. I've been wanting to introduce a judge, or his official title, the Justice of the Peace. So we gotta give him a nice long body. Alright. Alright, yeah. Alright, that'll do. Alright. Give him a long hat here. Alright, now. Okay. Something's missing here. Ah, yes, I know. Let's give him a nice, big, long, banana-shaped schnozola there. Let's add a nice mustache on him. There we go. Yeah, this is an idea for a judge. I mean, I have a marshal. I have a mayor. Now, I just need to add a judge. Again, this is just a concept. I'll probably refine the design later on. Alright. Give him maybe a cravat there, or an ascot, instead of a bow tie or a string tie. Just give him a pair of long, wiry legs there, with some rather big feet. There we go. Ah, see, now that looks like a good character design. Yeah, isn't that right, String Bean? No, I'm not going to call him that. Probably consult some of my sources on people's names used in the Old West. Sign my work. And there we go. Another day of my 30-day drawing challenge down. There we go. Here's a judge character I'm working on. And again, this is just a rough concept. It'll get refined later on. That's it for this video. Hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, this is Max West saying goodbye.